Interested in culinary arts, history, maybe even fashion design? That just scratches the surface of what Brookdale's Business and Social Science Institute offers. Here to give you more information is Dean Norah Kerr-McCurry.
At Brookdale Community College, you have lots of choices about what you might want to study. And in the Institute of Business and Social Sciences, we're here to support those efforts. I'm Norah Kerr-McCurry, Dean of the Business and Social Science Institute, where I'm proud of the opportunities that we have for courses and degree work led by our faculty. So you may want to, for example, take some of your general education courses out of the Business and Social Science Institute. We offer sociology, anthropology, history, political science, psychology. All of these courses are there to broaden your skill set and your critical thinking. You'll study culture in anthropology, society in sociology, the political system with political science, and history, what's been going on through time. Also, if you're interested in a degree program that might lead to a career, you would consider things like criminal justice, if you're interested in crime and society, business, the world of work, labor, management, economics, and accounting. Or what about paralegal, where you would work in a law office, or become a chef and become a culinary major. Fashion merchandising, hospitality management, all of these things are in the Business and Social Science Institute. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is to get started, but once you do and you're here at Brookdale, we're going to support you toward your goal, and I hope that someday, like me, you'll be a proud Brookdale graduate.
To get to know some of our other academic institutes and services, be sure to check out our other videos. We look forward to seeing you at our open house, where you can speak to our faculty, deans, and other department representatives. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around campus.